Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to share with you free app to install on your new PC. So if you just get a new PC and you're thinking like what type of app you can install on your PC, I can give you some of the app you can install on it. The first one is you can install Spotify, which is for streaming. You can also install Microsoft, which is a go-to suite for productivity, include Word, Excel and PowerPoint and more. You can also use Google Chrome extension. You can also use Google Chrome as a browser, which provide a wide range of extensions. You can use Zoom, which is a popular video conferencing tools for meeting, webinars and virtual hangouts. You can also use Adobe Acrobat Reader, which is for reading PDF formats and printing. You can also use the VLC media player for a versatile media player, and it also supports a wide range of audios and video formats. You can also use Slack, which is a collaboration org for work, allowing teams to communicate and collaborate effectively. You can also use Malwarebytes. It is a robust tool for detecting and removing malwares from your computer. You can also use 7zip, which is a powerful file archiver with a high compression ratio. You can also use CC Cleaner. It can also be used to clean up your systems and improve your system's performance. And these apps are highly rated and will help you get the most out of your Windows 11 PC. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.